guys, welcome back to Sanele F Channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel, guys. The one and only Mxolisi from Uzalo will be crossing over to Skeem Saam as Mxolisi from the 3rd of December 2019, guys. He'll basically makes an entrance like a fugitive or someone on the run, as we can all recall that in his last appearance from Uzalo, he escaped from prison to Mozambique. Then he made his way back to South Africa via Limpopo. Esizongena ku Skeem Saam. Mxolisi will bring more trouble ku Skeem Saam. Uselahlekelwe ngokuningi empilweni. His family Mdletshe and Manzuza, and he was arrested for murder case kaManzuza. So guys, he will be more aggressive than before. Mxolisi uzofika ngoNomasonto as a man in his past ku Skeem Saam. That means a lot of trouble and drama kuNomasonto noLisholo relationship yabo. I can't wait to see him on Skeem Saam, and I'm not sure if he will come back kuZalo anytime soon or not. Leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much, guys. Bye.